Welcome to Pinokio AI, the ultimate guide to getting started fast. In 60 seconds, we'll tour setup, core features, and quick pro tips. First, create an account or log in at Pinokio.ai. It's quick. This is the clean dashboard where projects, templates, and quick actions live. Click New Project, choose a template, and give your project a clear name. Upload images or paste links, and Pinokio organizes assets automatically. Use the AI assistant to generate scripts, captions, and image prompts instantly. Edit visuals with drag and drop, scribble-style annotations, and color presets. Enable step overlays and captions to create clear, accessible tutorials. Preview in real time, invite collaborators, and leave timestamped comments. Export high-quality video or share a web link with a single click. Start your first project now. Visit Pinokio.ai and unlock creative speed.